Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and I welcome you all in class 7th and 8th physics class, chemistry class, and the name of the chapter is Physical and Chemical Changes Part 2. In this video, we will study about the different type of physical changes occurs around you. And in this video, we will study about these topics. So, let's start the topic evaporation. So, what is evaporation? Evaporation, it is the process by which a liquid converted into the gaseous stage below its boiling point. That means liquid convert into gas या water vapor below the boiling point. Now, some factors are there which affects the evaporation. Factors which affect the evaporation. The first factor is temperature. So, higher the rate of temperature, higher the rate of evaporation. That means as the temperature will be rise, the rate of evaporation will also be increase, and if the temperature will decrease, the rate of evaporation will also be decrease. Next is the humidity. You can also say it moisture. Now, if the humidity will increase, then the rate of evaporation will decrease. And why it's happened? Because the surrounding air is already saturated with the water. That's why the rate of evaporation will be decreased. Surface area. That means the area, if the surface area will high, then the rate of evaporation will also be increased. Why? You can also see if you are going to cloth for the drying, and you are just going to clean the cloth and expose it into the sunlight. If the room is shorter, if the room is small, then the cloth will take time to dry up. But if you are just going to expose it in the larger area, the cloth will be easily dry. And this evaporation, it is the reversible, endothermic and desirable change. It is reversible, endothermic and desirable change. Now, next we will study about the boiling. Second is the boiling. So, what is boiling? When the liquid changes into the vapor state at the boiling point. That is the boiling. And boiling, it is also endothermic, reversible and desirable as well as undesirable change. Desirable, that means when you want to boil something, it will boil, it will be desirable. But if you don't want to boil something and in case it will be boiled, at that time it will be undesirable change. Next is the melting. Now, you all are knowing what is melting. When a solid changes into the liquid, that is known as the melting. And melting, it is also endothermic, reversible and desirable change. Next one is here sublimation. In sublimation, what happened? The substance is directly changes into solid to its gaseous form without forming the liquid state. That means when sublimation occurs, there is no liquid state will be formed. Directly the solid is going to form the gaseous state, and the substance which shows it, that substance are known as the sublime substances. I drawn over one diagram here. Just see the diagram. Here I had taken one china dish, and on that china dish some ammonium chloride powder had taken. Now when here burner is there and it's going to heat the china dish. When this ammonium chloride powder is heated, what happened? The vapors is going to form. There is no liquid state, directly the vapor is going to be formed. You are just saying this is the ammonium chloride vapor. Yeah, see here, these are the ammonium chloride vapor. Now when this vapor is going to form, it is going to move upside, but because this funnel is having closed with the help of cotton, this funnel is closed with the help of cotton, that's why this fume, this vapor is not going to move out, and it is going to condense, and it again it form the ammonium chloride crystal. Again, that means the powder is heated, it forms the vapor is going, but it cannot move out, that's why again it's formed the ammonium chloride crystal over here on the tip of the funnel. That's why the sublimation, this sublimation is also endothermic, reversible, physical change. Now the next topic is here, the dissolving. And what is dissolving? To mixing of something. That means the things, the solid, liquid and gas can be mixed in and they are dissolved in each other. And this dissolving, this is again endothermic, reversible and desirable change. Now let's move to the other point, the freezing. Freezing is the process in which the liquid is going into the solid form by providing the low temperature, by providing it cool. And this process, till now we were studied about the endothermic process, but this one is the exothermic process. It is exothermic, desirable and reversible change. And the last one, condensation. And this condensation, that means the vapor state, the gaseous state is going to form the liquid state. This process, this is also exothermic, reversible and desirable change. So today we were studied about different types of physical changes, in which we were studied about these topics, and also we are discussing about the factors which affect the evaporation. And in next video we will study about all the chemical changes. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.